In this problem, notice that really it's just sine of some angle, and the sine ratio doesn't converge, it oscillates. So, since the limit as n approaches infinity of our terms is not zero, by the nth term test, our series diverges. First thing we notice in number 9 is that this is definitely an alternating series because of that factor. So we will try the alternating series test. So the first question we might ask, because there's only two, is do the terms tend towards zero? And the second check is every term smaller than or equal to the previous term eventually? Well, we don't even have to check this one. Looks like a lot of work because this condition isn't met. As n approaches infinity, our terms approach 5/4, which is not zero, so we are not going to be able to use the alternating series test because this condition is not met. Well, by doing this check, maybe you notice right out of the gate, since our nth term doesn't go to zero, we know that the series diverges. And we would state that the series diverges by the nth term test by divergence. It's enough to just see the nth term test.